This is another one of the canning jars from the Dollar Tree, but this is the smaller one. I wanted to see if we could do something really easy and fun with a solar light from the Dollar Tree and some of those glass stickers. I do have some of the Shore Living ones, and I thought maybe we try the Dolphin one. Now this one, I really need the lid. So without like the canning top, I think we can make this work by attaching the little solar light to the lid because I'm going to need it to be removable. And you'll see why here in a little bit. So the first thing I'm going to do is just put hot glue around the rim on the top of the solar light and just glue that directly on top of the canning lid. It is a little bit smaller in diameter, and they're different colors, but we'll cover that up and make it work. I'm just using some of that thicker twine from Walmart, and I'm just gluing that on. I'm going to wrap that all the way around the jar lid and also the sides of the solar light, kind of making them look more uniform and like I did it on purpose. But since this is not rope, this is the twine, it's going to take a little bit more to wrap that around and hot glue it on. I'm also going to go in and kind of clean it up with a lighter just to burn off some of the fuzzies. Now, what I thought would be really fun to do with this jar was to kind of do like a colored water, like make it look like ocean water inside and then like do a dolphin on the side. I kind of wanted to do fish, but I didn't really have anything. But you could be really cute if you wanted to make a fish or something like that with your Cricut, or if you did have a fish. But this isn't going to fit. So what I'm going to do is cut this down and just use the smaller dolphin and just put that on the side of my jar. Now, one thing I noticed with these glass stickers that I've never noticed before with this is that I did get a little bit of bubbling, and it's obvious at night. I don't know if that will go away. The jar was clean, and so I don't know. But I just take it and fill the whole jar up with hot water, and I thought we could dye it. I don't go all the way to the top because I don't want the water to mess with the electronics of the light. But I'm just going to add some blue food coloring and mix that up. I thought that that was maybe a little too blue, so I do go pour some of that out and add a little bit more water to tone it down a little bit to give me a beachy blue. And that's why I needed the jar lid, is so that I can go in there, I can change out the water, I can empty it out if I need to. I could always fill it up with something else like sand and shells if I got tired of the water look, but I thought this was another fun variety and something different from what we've already done. So here's a little solar light DIY filled with some blue water and a little glass sticker from the Shore Living line, little dolphin. As you can see, it looks great during the day, but let me show you what it looks like at night.